how to open the CD and tape player for Pajero 2006. So what you have to do, you need a tool like this. If you find plastic, that is wonderful, very good. But if you don't have, so be careful, it may scratch some lines. So just open like this from both sides, then open the rear, lock is open. You can see here one screw here, one screw here. We need to open these two screws, so then we can open this one. For that we need to open these two screw here. Open this one. You need a Phillips type screwdriver. Second screw. Same as here I told you, very easy. So it will come out. Like this. Then this light, this lock, and remove 4 screw. Secure the screws. Now this tape is, you can remove. Removing. This is the rear view. This wire coming from the CD player. This one is and this is antenna. And this one here lock on the pin. Just press. Move. This is our tape, Mitsubishi original tape, and this one is CD player, which cable is linked here. So this is a procedure to remove. Now you want to fix new one. I have this one, MP3 player. This MP3 player, can I fix it here? Yes, it is coming. Only the required is side clips, which I will remove from here. These two clips, brackets, I will remove. I will fix here. Antenna socket available, power also available, but that is different. So we need to manage this one socket with this one, along with this coming, this like this. Coming, but that is totally different. So we need to find out the connections. So there is no connection guide, only the model number is here. So So we need to find out on the internet how to make connections.